Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. My garden is an outcome of a joint project undertaken by my father and grandfather. They both are very fond to planting of my garden. My grandfather was a farmer and there has a tremendous amount of knowledge of different varieties, fertilizer, shrubs, herbs and trees. His knowledge helped us to grow a small rough patch of land into this wonderful garden which now has over 50 different plants. We have planted 7 different varieties of roses. My grandfather has also planted my herb plants such as tulsi and neem. He makes tea and even medicines occasionally from these leaves. My favorite place in the garden is the branches of the huge mango trees in the corner. It was planted by my grandfather 10 years ago. I love to spend my time sitting on the branch. When we moved from the high rise 3 BHK flat in Mumbai to the shops, I was disappointed and sad. The only good thing about our new house was that it was relatively bigger than our flat. The house also had a backyard which was used as a secondary garbage by the previous owner. Since we didn't have scared car second car, my father cleared out the backyard and we were left with a large patch of empty land. It was my grandfather's idea to convert the land into a small beautiful and cozy garden. My grandmother always loved gardening. Back is the flat. She used to up small flower pots in the railing. Now was the perfect time to make her part-time gardening hobby into a flat. And my father and my uncle tiled up the entire land and planted grass. Thanks for watching.